In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside the Mailchimp editor to update your email's background so it matches your brand and looks great on every device. First, head to your Mailchimp dashboard and open the area where all your marketing work lives. From there, go to Campaigns. This is where you'll find the emails you've already created or are currently working on. Choose the campaign you want to adjust and open it. If you see an option to edit the campaign, click that to get into the builder. Next, open the Design workspace by selecting Edit Design. This brings up the email editor where you can work on layout, colors, and typography. You'll see a panel dedicated to styling options. Look for the Styles section. This is the control center for the overall look and feel of the email, including background, text, and link colors. Inside Styles, select Background. This section controls the overall canvas color behind your content. You should see a background color setting, along with a color swatch that shows the shade currently applied. Click the current color. That opens the color picker, giving you a full range of choices. Now choose the color you want for your background. You can drag within the picker to find a shade, use sliders to fine-tune, or paste a specific hex code if you have brand colors. As a tip, keep readability in mind. If your text is dark, opt for a light background. If your text is deep, a darker background can work, but avoid extremes that reduce contrast or strain the eyes. Soft neutrals or subtle tints often look professional and keep your content easy to read. If you're adding images or buttons, think about how their colors will sit on this background so everything feels cohesive. You'll see your changes apply immediately in the preview area, which makes it easy to evaluate the result in real time. If the color doesn't look quite right, simply click the swatch again and adjust. You can always revert to your previous color or try a few close variations until it feels just right. Small tweaks in brightness or saturation can make a big difference. That's all there is to it. Open your campaign, edit the design, go to Styles, choose background, click the current color, and pick the shade you want. With that, your email's background color is updated and ready to impress.